Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my podcast. Today, I will share a funny story about learning English. This story is about a boy named Rahim. Rahim wanted to learn English very fast. One day, he decided to speak only in English. He went to a shop to buy something. The shopkeeper asked, "What do you want?" "I want to eat soap." The shopkeeper was shocked. "Eat soap? Are you okay?" Actually, Rahim wanted to say soup, not soap. Everyone started laughing. Rahim felt very embarrassed. But he didn't give up. Next day, he tried again. This time, he went to a restaurant. "I am boring rice." "You mean you are eating rice." Rahim made another mistake. But slowly, he started improving. After a few months, Rahim became confident. Now he speaks English very well. So what can we learn from Rahim? First, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Second, practice every day. Third, never give up. Even funny mistakes can teach you something. Keep trying and keep learning. Thank you for listening to this funny story. See you in the next episode. Stay confident.